So guys, we're by Bern, and this train station is also big. You see, Plage 49 to 50. To 50. So now we are in Bern. Yeah. And I it 49 to 50. Yes, guys. So from Interlaken to Bern. Yes. So Bern is the capital from Switzerland. Capital, yeah. Very beautiful place. 49 to 50 musst durch. You have to walk through there.
So, du weißt du gar nicht.
Da, ich habe gesehen, da.
Das ist auch 50. Willst du schauen? Das ist mir nichts da.
Wie Altstadt. So guys, this is how Bern train station looks. Show 49 to 50, 180 meter. Yeah, Interlaken house and so brig. So guys, we're going down to the town. So we're walking to the center. Marcos and coffee. So guys, very beautiful town of Bern. Look. Huh? Ein Kind.
Gut, dann was stört dich das jetzt? Das Kind global spielt, oder?
So there you have underground restaurant, is what Marcos say. And Bern is a historical town, and it's also the capital of Switzerland. So the beer, that's a symbol for Bern. Yes, very beautiful town. Beautiful zone.
Or maybe more in the weekend.
Guys, I was coming back from that end. Very beautiful, yes.
Diana Linton, good afternoon. And for all of you that is joining, those of you that are behind the scenes, good afternoon. Help us to promote this vlog by sharing and tapping the screen. Chosen one. Good afternoon, chosen. So you guys ready for me to turn this?
It's very nice and beautiful. Beautiful. So the beautiful town of Bern, guys. Wow. Old town of Bern. This is a must see. This is a must visit. Wow. Yeah, yeah.
I want you to do for me is to respond to me, correspond. This is the
See if I town part. Look guys, look. Look, very nice.
All you guys gonna see is me preaching and praying and ministering. No more stories that I'm gonna show.
What is no?
You guys are not remembering. And
Confederation.
actually, besides attempt to remember, it means that I wasted my energy, my time. They're not living here, and I'm going to turn the
So the Chinese people, they are taking their picture in front of this building. I'm not sure what they do here. I have to, maybe Marcus can tell me. Guys, you name up there too? Yes, they name Cabo, but you can't see them. So guys, look. Either some judge or some parliament people or so. Guys, Bern is very beautiful. So guys, this is the Regierung politics building. Parliament building. And those mans? Yeah, and those mans there, Marcus? The men's?
That is a bank.
No, see man them there up on the top.
I don't know.
But all of this is the Parliament building. Swiss Parliament, Bern, the capital of Switzerland. So look guys, Bundesplatz. So we're going down to the river guys, searching a way to go to the river. It's a nice view from here guys, very beautiful view from the top here. So look guys, there's a river down there, very nice and beautiful. Yes. So guys, still part of the Parliament House, and enjoy the view from up here. So Bern, very beautiful city. Yes, beautiful and nice. So the last time I showed you guys a different part of the town, so now I'm on the other side. Look, that's a casino there. Casino. So we're walking towards the town here. Wow, that building there, very beautiful. Very beautiful, guys. So guys, this bridge is Kirchenfeld Brücke. So we are walking across Kirchenfeld Brücke. And look at the view up there in the mountains. Nice, breathtaking. Look guys, wow, beautiful. So down there, that's the other part of the town, the old part. We are Marcosine Drive. See next part up there, so we are Marcosine Drive round there, somewhere under so we there, I think. Look guys. The lights. Look.
attractive.
Yeah.
Now you can go in the not.
Bern is a very beautiful city. Town, capital, yeah. Pretty. You guys. So that's a barrier so no one can jump. Look, beautiful.
Der Selbstmord, der sich umbringen will.
I can't get enough of this town. Really beautiful. Guys, building, nice, beautiful. So Clark, them have decorate the building. Cloth. Over there. So Clark, they have decorate this. Or what kind of building this? It's a museum. So look, museum, guys. Look, guys.
So Bern, Thun, and then.
So guys, this is the next part of the train station, the Bahnhof. And there's a vegetable restaurant there, vegan restaurant. So yes, this is the next side of the Bahnhof.